In general, the noun synthesis refers to a combination of two or more entities that together form something new. Alternately, it refers to the creating of something by artificial means. The corresponding verb, to synthesize, means to make or form a synthesis. Synthesis or synthesize may also refer to science, chemistry and biochemistry, chemical synthesis, the execution of chemical reactions to form a more complex molecule from chemical precursors, organic synthesis, the chemical synthesis of organic compounds, total synthesis, the complete organic synthesis of complex organic compounds, usually without the aid of biological processes, convergent synthesis or linear synthesis, a strategy to improve the efficiency of multi-step chemical syntheses. Dehydration synthesis, a chemical synthesis resulting in the loss of a water molecule, Rna Synthesis, a chemical reaction named after Carl Paul and Ludwig Knorr. Biosynthesis, the creation of an organic compound in a living organism, usually aided by enzymes. Photosynthesis, a biochemical reaction using a carbon molecule to produce an organic molecule, using sunlight as a catalyst. Chemosynthesis, the synthesis of biological compounds into organic waste, using methane or an oxidized molecule as a catalyst. Amino acid synthesis, the synthesis of an amino acid from its constituents. Peptide synthesis, the biochemical synthesis of peptides using amino acids. Protein biosynthesis, the multi-step biochemical synthesis of proteins. DNA synthesis, several biochemical processes for making DNA, DNA replication, DNA biosynthesis and vivo synthesis. RNA synthesis, the synthesis of RNA from nucleic acids, using another nucleic acid chain as a template. ATP synthesis, the biochemical synthesis of ATP. Chemical engineering, process synthesis, the design of chemical process plants. Physics, nucleosynthesis, the process of creating new atomic nuclei from pre-existing nucleons. Electronics, logic synthesis, the process of converting a higher-level form of a design into a lower-level implementation. High-level synthesis, an automated design process that interprets an algorithmic description of a desired behavior and creates hardware that implements that behavior. Frequency synthesizer, an electronic system for generating any of a range of frequencies. Speech and sound creation, sound synthesis, various methods of sound generation in audio electronics. Wave field synthesis, a spatial audio rendering technique, characterized by creation of virtual acoustic environments. Subtractive synthesis, a method of creating a sound by removing harmonics, characterized by the application of an audio filter to an audio signal. Frequency modulation synthesis, a form of audio synthesis where the timbre of a simple waveform is changed by frequency modulating it with a modulating frequency that is also in the audio range. Speech synthesis, the artificial production of human speech. Humanities, in philosophy, the end result of a dialectic, as in thesis, antithesis. Synthesis, a cognitive skill in Benjamin Bloom's taxonomy of educational objectives. In philosophy and science, a higher a priori process than analysis. In linguistics, a scale denoting the average ratio of morphemes to words. See synthetic language. Politics, synthesis. Anarchism is a form of anarchist organization which tries to join anarchists of different tendencies. Media, synthesis, a website and magazine covering popular culture. Synthesis, a journal of chemical synthesis. Clothing, synthesis, a garment or outfit worn in ancient Rome for dining or special occasions. See also, analysis, the converse of synthesis. Carlson curve, synthesizer, synthetic, creation, formation, production, derivation,